Hi everyone, what you saw on the thumbnail is absolutely true. How do you make 1 crore in 1 year? That's 8,333 rupees a month. This is Vivek Aditya, coach and founder of SureFit. I'm not going to talk about anything of my business as such. This is a business of people who are already doing it, but they're yet struggling to cope up with it. It's a simple concept. What I understand, it's a damn simple concept where the person could have gone on to make a ton load of money, but yet they struggle. Okay, what business am I talking about? I'm talking about a normal person who's running a kirana store. Like in your neighborhood, you will have a small store where he or she is selling the essential items, right? Like we're talking about cooking oil, rice, you talk about anything that comes under which is an essential item. It should be a very profitable business. For simple reason is, COVID comes, COVID goes, it doesn't matter because the government has to keep these shops open. Okay, you can launch this business anywhere that you would want it because there is always a neighborhood. But still they end up struggling. Okay, I will show you mathematically why it should have been simple and how they could have made a lot of money, but yet they're not doing it. It's a simple concept, right? You're going to get the products delivered to your place at a price, and then you're going to sell at another price. Basically, we're talking about a landing cost, that is the cost price which comes to you, and there is an MRP, maximum retail price that you sell. There's a difference. Okay, that's a profit margin that we talk about it. So any shop person, for him to set it up, you don't need to be a graduate to do it. You don't have to have a ton of experience to do this. Okay, anybody can start this. Anybody can start this, or the person who's already doing it can implement this idea that what I'm going to tell you about. Okay. Now, when I've spoken to these people, I asked them what is the pain points. Where do they feel that they're having difficulty in doing? They say that everything is good. Only thing is I don't get more sales. They say I don't get more sales. They know they have a margin of every product. They know that they have a margin of every product. Okay, but they still come and tell me that I find it difficult to sell more and more. I ask them why. One, they say, my shop size is not big. If it was big, I could stock many products. Okay, then they say, staffing problem. Okay, I need to employ a lot of people, and then there's a lot of money which goes out of my pocket as such. Okay. Then what else? He says there's a severe competition. So, everybody, it's so easy to do it. So every Tom, Dick and Harry is opening it. Okay. Then why are you doing this business? He says I don't know what else to do. Okay. B. Now, how could you turn around? How could you make this existing business profitable? How can you make this existing business profitable? I'll show you this. We know that if your service is good, if your service, because see, you don't have command over the product. Product is someone else, right? Some big company is going to manufacture it and give it to you, and then you're going to sell the product. So you can't do anything about the quality of that product. Okay, customer either will like it or dislike it. That is up to the customer. But what you could do is you can better your service, isn't it? The way you treat a customer, you can do that. Okay, that's all you can do to bring in more and more customers. Okay, I don't believe the shop size matters in actually doing business. If you really want to make that 1 crore, listen to me very, in detail. Very important that you listen to me in detail. Listen, I'm going to show you this figure. 1 crore for sure shot, and nothing less. Absolutely nothing less. There's no compromise on this. You can start off and aim to get there, right? We all know that your rent is going to be the same, your staff, whatever is going to be working for you is going to be the same. You don't have to change it. You don't have to change it at all. Okay, how do you approach it? This is where the thing comes. I will also tell you if you have certain issues, how do you handle that? How do you handle it? Also, I'm going to teach you about it. Okay. Now, what I would want you to do, this is, I want you to make sure that all your products that you're going to sell it to a customer, I want you to give it to them at the landing cost. What I mean by landing cost, the price what a manufacturer delivers to your shop. Okay, that is a price that I want you to give it to your customer. You're going to ask me, right? If I'm going to do that, where is the money for me? That's when I'm going to come down to, right? Every customer who's going to come down, this is what you're going to do. Okay, on one condition. What is the condition? you're going to say that you have to pick up a membership with me. You pick up the membership and then I will give you. What does a membership cost? You charge only 1,000 rupees. Charge only 1,000 rupees. Not for one day, not for 1 week, not for 1 month. Charge a membership of 1,000 rupees for a year. For 1 full year, charge just 1,000 rupees per customer. That is per house you charge only 1,000 rupees. Okay? Then how am I going to make money? That's your question, right? Here, this is where you're going to do wonders. The objective right now for you should be that you make sure you sell this to 10,000 customers around your neighborhood. There are 10,000 families which are going to be living in your neighborhood. Sell this to 10,000 people. If you sell this quickly in 1 month, if you're able to sell these 10,000 memberships, let's not look at higher number. Okay? There are a lot of people who might even come from other neighborhood to your neighborhood. Why? Because you are giving the customer at what price? The cost price. The cost price, not the selling price. So there is always a discount that he's getting from you. Always. The landing cost is what he's going to, so he will definitely come and buy with you. Right? Now, let us look at 10,000 customers, you get it. How soon you get it? If you take a year to get it, you will make 10,000 into 1,000, that happens to be 1 crore. If you do this in 1 month, you already generated that 1 crore rupees in 1 month. Or 2 months, whatever the pace, whatever the speed that you can acquire these customers such, right? Because you already have an existing base who are coming to you. Okay, if you were smart enough, if you had the number, get in touch with them, tell them about it. Okay, simple, get across, make this. So time frame is up to you. How fast you get there is up to you. Now that translates to what? 8,333,000 rupees a month is already in your kitty for the next 1 year. It is already there in the kitty. Now, even if you wanted to take care of your expenses, your electricity bill, the rental that whatever you used to pay, then your salaries that you used to pay, okay, whatever miscellaneous used to come, you would still see that there is surplus money left with you because you're playing with what? 8,333 rupees which is already there in your kitty, isn't it? This is how you can go on to make profit. Now, your question might be that, see, I might have objection from my neighboring shops who might say that you can't offer customer at the cost price. You're killing the market. You know, they might even come up with an objection. How do you handle with this? If this situation is going to arise, what you could do very clearly when you're selling the membership, you don't have to probably tell them, I'll give you at the cost price. I will give it to land. You don't have to say this. What you could do in the meanwhile, okay, what could you do is, you could tell the customer, listen my friend, okay, whatever the price that is going to be sold for, MRP itself, I'm going to sell this, but there is a margin that I would have made, correct? That much, rather than giving you a discount, what I can do is I can ask you to buy extra products with this margin that I have with me. So what happens is, you can take care of yourself this way. You should not be, you know what, this is where you should not become miser, where you will feel that, okay, everything that I'm selling, I'm losing, you know, margin on it. Boy, oh boy, you made the money for the whole year. And understand, the customer is going to come back to you next year. That means there is no attrition rate. Only thing that you can only do is keep on increasing more and more membership. Simple as that. See, if you don't approach the business in the business way, you're not going to win. You are not going to win at all. You're only going to suffer. So look at this way. Turn around your business. It's going to happen because the product is supplied by someone else. You don't have to take a guarantee for it. That company will take a guarantee for it. Okay. This way, how will you improve? Understand this. If you are smart, create a website. Okay, where you list out all the products. Customer can send this request to say, these are the things that I needed. Then it becomes simple. Now you don't have to stock it. Your shop size was anyway small. The same, let's say we're talking about a rice item. There are 10 different manufacturers. Because your shop was small, you could not have, you could not hold stock of 10 different, the products of the same item. So what is going to happen now is, if the customer places an order, what is your problem? Just place an order with your stockist. He's going to deliver it to you. 1, 2 days, whatever the turnaround time is, send it across to your customer. For whatever delivery that you're going to do, that's an expense. You can even ask them for a delivery charge, or you can ask them, I'll pack all this and keep it in my shop, come and pick it up. Customer is happy. Why? You know what? He has only spent 1,000 rupees. He spent 1,000 rupees. Let me tell you, when I've done the survey, with the shopkeepers, I asked them what is the kind of average margin that you get on a product. They say that on average, we're talking about there are products which has a higher margin, and there are products which have got low margins. So I asked them, what is the average? They said that on an average it is coming to about 10%. Okay, so let us look at 10%. If you look at 10%, average small size family is going to spend anywhere upwards only. I'm talking about minimum 5,000 rupees. That means a customer being with you is saving 500 rupees a month. Saving 500, multiply that by 12 months, that's 6,000 rupees that he's saving. What is he actually committing to you? Only 1,000 rupees. He's saving 5,000. That means 1 month of grocery he's getting for free. So customer is smart, he will understand this. Okay, now you don't need to increase your shop size because he's going to place an order, right? This is where you can expand. Okay, you can expand your portfolio as such. Now you might even ask me, can I do this without a shop? That's smart. If you're techno savvy, all you can do is you can tie up with other shops and stuff like that, and then place, you can work on the website or an app that you can build on. You can deliver. You don't need anything else. You'll get people. So work on it. You attack the strategy in this way, for sure you're going to make money. Okay. Now you will ask me, why in the world aren't you doing Vivek Aditya? Let me tell you a little bit about myself. Okay. I have been pursuing this field, fitness, and giving people the weight loss for the last, for about 20 years or so. That's been my focus, but I was doing different kinds of business and stuff like that. But I realized that is my passion I want to stick to. Whether I'm going to be a failure or a successful person, I don't damn care, because that is what I want to give. Because there is 1 billion people in this country that we're talking about, that is over 100 crore people. That's 130, 140 crore people that require fitness, that require weight loss and such. I want to take care of them. Okay, so I want to be ready when they're all going to come to me. I want to be ready as such. So I would want to pursue all this. Okay, but there are a lot of other businesses that, which I could do, but I don't have the hands for it. So why don't they teach someone, go ahead and make money? If you're happy about whatever I taught you, if you're happy about it, give me a thumbs up. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Or if you say that you're making good profits and you want to share the size of the profit that you're making with me, I'll give you my bank account number. Do that, right? I want you people, if you're doing it or you want to jump into it, okay, I want you to be successful. I would want you to be successful. Now that you listen to the whole video as such, congratulations. 1, do not share this video if you're going to do this business. Do not share this video as such, because the other person is going to start off, right? But if you're not starting it, don't become selfish. Don't become selfish. Share with all the people that you know, so that some of them or all of them can pick it up and make a life out of themselves. People are working, people are putting in all the hard work, but they're not getting the rewards. Okay? The concept is simple, but they're doing it in a traditional way, which has been on and ongoing for the 100 plus years and stuff like that. Change the way you approach your business, you're going to make a lot of money as such, right? If you would want to help me and give me a share of your profit, go ahead and do that. If you would want to help me in my business, okay, help me in my business in growing it, helping people online, help me. I'm there to train people as such, right? So this is all I've got to say. This is Vivek Aditya signing off. All the best, okay? And give me a thumbs up if you've started it and been successful. Understand the logic as such, you will get there. Only thing what you need to do is very simple, sell the membership. Don't become miser and say I will charge 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. Don't even do that, okay? Don't even look at the size of the sales which is going to happen from a family. You might feel that, okay, there are people who buy crazy amount of products from me, but I'm only charging 1,000. Don't become cheap here. Don't become cheap here. Look at large volumes. People will going to stick by. It is not today. They have to come back again tomorrow. They have to come back next year. That means if you service them now, If you service them now, probably you don't have to be in the shop next year. You can open another shop somewhere else. Imagine the size of the country that we live in. It's huge. You can, if you're smart enough, you will go invest in different places. Because why? You need what? People who are just going to manage the store for you. It's very simple as such, right? So just go ahead and wish you all the best. Be successful, and in the comment section, if you're having any kind of trouble in your business, mention it. Let me see if I could help you out. Okay, very shortly I'll be coming out with different videos on. I'm already planning on, if somebody is in the real estate, how can I help them? If somebody is in the finance, how I could help them. Somebody who's a doctor, okay, how I could help them. Somebody who's an engineer struggling, how could I help them? Right? I'm already thinking about the pain problems of people. I'm going to be making videos. But if you are already running a business and you're struggling, you want help with my knowledge, I can design anything as such. Let me tell you, I'm really smart on this. Okay? Probably so long I didn't tell people as such, because I said, why do I do it for free? But even then, okay, I wasn't doing anything about it. But you will not believe, there are companies that if you look at it, I've been a creator. Let me tell you, I've been a creator all my life, okay? But I haven't been lucky. That's the only thing, is I haven't been lucky as such. You will not believe, when I was in 4th standard, I'll just tell you a little bit about myself. When I was in 4th standard, okay, we used to play marbles. And I'll tell you, this was the time when at 5 paisa, the younger generation might not even know today what a 5 paisa is. 5 paisa, we would get 4 marbles. Okay, and then we will go to the ground and play. Every day I would lose. Okay, but I'd seen my senior winning all the time. Okay, he was just 1 year senior with me. Okay, 1 class ahead, and he used to always win in marble. All I did was, okay, this guy loved chewing gum. What did I tell him? Listen, friend, why didn't you play for me? And then at the end of the day, I will give you a chewing gum. He said, okay. What I would do is, I will start with only, with the 5 paisa and 4 marbles. He'll go on. End of the day, I would collect so much of marbles. What I would do is, in the ground itself, I will sell for 5 paisa, not 4 marbles. I'll sell 6. So these people didn't have to go to the shop to buy it. I started this at 4th standard. I ventured into a lot of business and things like that, and there are a lot of businesses which are running today, which are really running today. Okay, which should have been mine. It's okay, I didn't do it as such, but my ideas, whichever I have, I will put it across to you people for free. Use it, grow. That's what I intend to do at the moment, right? All the best. See you. Bye-bye.